tuần sai ui tờ lơ tầm tên nó mua luôn bề hù ủa phèn mong sảnh hờ phèn mong có career aspiration là chỉ những lúc học kia ya phải show ya lo ấy tu therapist là chỉ tu psychologist thằng nữ sinh như nhà sinh kế theo cosplay phèn mong cô ya tu dancer of Thai tu sinh theo and stellar idols nữ cô ya tu president of Nulu School Club Youth for Asian American Culture chị ta lên đây sẽ là nữ tu founder of Bubble Pop Hawj Ocho Dr. Sponsors or Thai Ping Pong almost Suli C and Tony of Game Related Sophia Tao of Superficial Victoria Patton of Mystic Karma Go Li Ya of T-Berry Si Tong Thia Tu Fong Lee of Outcast Alterations LLC United Action Oshkosh Stacy Hugh Sanai Pettis Nia Tong Bó Tho Linda Tho Ba Cú Tho Dr. Avina Hoi Ya
PheejHmoo ก็รอรู้นูมัวเจอลิงจานอ What advice would you give to children who are just starting school ก็有么注意大起都教明我我比更大特上 PheejHmoo กูอยากนูก็อีชงสี What advice would you give to children who are just starting school ก็有么注意大起都教明我我比更大特上
Thank you for your question. One advice that I would give to children that are just now starting school is to just be yourself. Because if you're not yourself and you're like fake to other people, no one will really truly know who you are. And it can come to a part where you never know who you are either. Thank you.
Đời nói giờ bê tuần sai mua luôn bề hùa PheejHmoo sảnh hờ Hôm nay mua tay cho nữ ý dòng gì PheejHmoo vẫn kỳ sẽ thiệt tàu là ô chồng